Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete a Google Sheets document. This is particularly useful when you need to free up storage space or ensure that sensitive data is completely removed from your account. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to your Google Workspace. Open your browser and type in workspace.google.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing into the correct account if you manage multiple workspaces, as this will ensure you're accessing the right files. After logging in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard. This is where all your documents, spreadsheets, and other files are organized. Take a moment to locate the specific spreadsheet you want to permanently delete. You can scroll through your files or use the search function if you have many documents. Once you've found it, look to the right side of the spreadsheet's name where you'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on these dots to open a menu with various options. From the menu that appears, click on Remove. This action will trigger a confirmation message to pop up on your screen asking you to confirm that you want to move this file to trash. This is an important safeguard to prevent accidental deletions. Go ahead and click Move to Trash to proceed. At this point, the spreadsheet has been removed from your main workspace, but it's not permanently deleted yet. It's simply sitting in your trash folder. Now, we need to take the next step to ensure the file is completely erased from your Google account. Navigate to your Google Drive by opening a new tab or clicking on the Google Drive icon if you have it bookmarked. Once you're in Google Drive, look at the left sidebar where you'll find several options like My Drive, Shared with Me, and others. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Trash and click on it. This will open your trash folder, which contains all the files you've recently deleted. Here you'll need to locate the spreadsheet you just removed. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to find it more quickly. Once you've found the file, click on the 3 dots beside it to open another menu. From this menu, select Delete Forever. This is the critical step that will permanently erase the file from your account. A final confirmation message will appear, warning you that this action cannot be undone. Click Delete Forever one more time to confirm, and that's it. The spreadsheet has now been permanently deleted from your Google account and cannot be recovered. You've successfully removed and permanently deleted a Google Sheets document from your workspace. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.